Whew. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where in the world you're watching the morning drive this morning. And although I sound out of breath, I got another little guy down here seeming to do his thing. He's a little more out of breath than I am. So a really short one on this Saturday morning. It's probably more enjoyable to look at the dog right now. He's the one that's having the fun. But yeah, welcome to the morning drive. And today's a non-driving episode, but an important one. Mental health is a thing that's it's looked at in so many different ways. You know, there's the medical side of it, there's the physical side of it, and there's depression, there's suicide, there's anxiety, there's ADHD, there's OCD, there's so much and so many different, I wouldn't say prescribed, but there's so many different labels and disorders and things out there that people focus on. But I think sometimes we focus on those things too hard. We focus on this label that society gives us, we give ourselves, or other people give us. When at the end of the day, just trying to get yourself to feel that little bit better each day is so important. And it's early in the morning, the sun is shining, and there's honestly no better place to go if you're feeling a little bit low or a little bit off, or you've been having a rough day, than to get back in nature. Me and the doggo and the wife and kid back at home are lucky enough to live 20 minutes, 25, 30 minutes away from the beach, so it's a nice little drive away from here. But if you look behind me, see just the beauty of what this place has to offer. The sun is shining, sand dunes have just been sprinted up and down, and the beautiful sand and beautiful water. I'm going to step in there in a minute. It just calms you down, calms your mind. It takes you back to a peaceful place where there's no distractions. There's not very many people here either today. The forest, the woods, anywhere where you're away from the concrete jungle. Just step inside when you're feeling a little bit down. Step outside to a place like this if you're not having a great day today. And just get back to nature. Just sit there, have a few breaths. 10, 15 minutes is all it takes. And I can absolutely promise you, you'll start to feel better. Yes, it's not going to solve all your problems, but there's very little things out there that will solve all your problems right in an instant. But it will make you feel that little bit better, so you can make a positive start to today and make a positive start to the rest of your life. And put in little disciplines like going sitting out here. Man, it's just so beautiful. So wherever in the world you are today, get back to nature. I'm just going to leave this beautiful view here for a minute. No talking, just the sound of silence, and possibly the dog breathing hard. Have an awesome day, guys. Love you all. Thanks for tuning in. All right, guys, time to go for a swim. Thanks again for tuning in. Have a lovely, lovely day and an awesome weekend. See you again soon. Peace.